Today I'm going to show you the easiest way to cook bacon. Every morning I enjoy getting my coffee and picking out a mug of the day. This one, the owl mug, is one of my favorites. I found it at a garage sale for $1. I like a dash of cream in my coffee, and I'm like, oh no, this is the end of my milk. Welcome back to my channel, Start With Coffee Adventures. I'm going to be doing recipes like this, or in this case, it's not even a recipe, it's just a how-to video. I'm going to be talking a lot about my garden, drinking tons of coffee, and when I travel, I'll be showing you all of my travels. I just noticed that the package says lower sodium baking. I've never tried this before. I hope it tastes pretty much like regular bacon. Well, I'll let you know in a bit. I covered the cookie sheet with foil to make it even easier for cleanup, and I put as many pieces of bacon as I could on the cookie sheet. There's a few left over here, and I preheated my oven up to 400 degrees, and I'm going to cook this for 15 minutes. It's all done. I'm going to keep stacking the bacon onto my plate with paper towels to soak up the extra grease, and it's all ready. And it tasted great. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.